Gretchen, and welcome to On a Bear's Dime, where we like to share some ideas on how to save time, money to reach your goals and live a better life. Today I'm going to share how to make beef bone broth. For this recipe, you need 2 pounds of beef bones from the butcher, leftover veggie scraps from your scrap bag in the freezer, or at least a half an onion, celery stalk, garlic, and 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. First, what we're going to do is season our bones and pop them in the oven for at 350 degrees for about a half an hour. You can also put the vegetables on top and roast them for another 15 minutes. Transfer your bones and all of your vegetables into your crock pot. Add your apple cider vinegar and cover with filtered water. And we're going to cook this on high for 2 hours and then turn it down to low and cook for at least 12 hours or up to 24 hours. All right, good morning. Let's check and see how our bone broth looks. It's a little snowy out this morning, so a nice soup would be really good. You can see that the soup is a nice dark color and looks pretty rich from just looking at it right here. We'll begin by removing the large piece of bone, the one with the most meat on it. You will also remove all the vegetables and discard that. I'm just taking off this extra meat off of the soup bone that I had and use it later for some side soup, or you can use it for a stew or kind of whatever you want to do with it. Then I got about 3/4 of a pound here off of this soup bone that I can use for later. I'm going to be freezing it, so I'm going to cover it with some of the bone broth just so that I have that broth later to use in a soup later. You can also strain this through a cheesecloth. I'm going to be storing the rest of my bone broth in plastic containers and I'm going to freeze it. Make sure you leave enough room at the top of the container for expansion so that you have plenty of room for it to expand in the freezer. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Make sure you're hitting the bell icon so that you are informed when we upload a video. We'll be uploading new video every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Goodbye.